Node's full-stack automation tutorial app. The pros, the cons. Nodes has become a go-to platform for full-stack development, but can it really streamline automation? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Nodes is fast and lightweight, perfect for building scalable full-stack applications. Its non-blocking architecture allows automation scripts to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, from database operations to server requests. With frameworks like Expresses and tools like Puppeteer or Playwright, developers can automate everything from form submissions to data scraping and testing workflows. Integration is seamless too. Nodes works well with front-end frameworks like React, Vue, and Angular, so you can automate end-to-end processes across your application. For example, you could set up a Node script to automatically fetch API data, process it, and update your front-end dashboard without any manual effort. On the downside, Nodes comes with a learning curve for beginners. Understanding asynchronous programming and callbacks can be tricky, and debugging errors in complex automation flows requires experience. Security is another concern. Improperly configured scripts can expose your app to vulnerabilities. Additionally, while Nodes handles IO operations efficiently, CPU-intensive tasks may perform slower compared to other platforms requiring workarounds or microservices. Most people get this wrong. They assume full-stack automation is only for back-end developers. The surprising truth is, Nodes empowers both front-end and back-end automation, bridging the gap between we and server-side processes. You won't believe how much time teams can save when Nodes handles repetitive tasks like form validation, A/B testing, and database updates automatically. In conclusion, Node's full-stack automation is a powerful solution for developers looking to save time, increase efficiency, and maintain scalable applications. The key is understanding asynchronous flows, implementing best practices, and combining Nodes with front-end frameworks and automation libraries. When used thoughtfully, Nodes transforms manual processes into seamless, automated workflows, freeing developers to focus on innovation and strategy.